If you like great music, and you obviously do, then you must love great cars. But where can you find these cars? Online, of course, at Rosenthal Auto at YouTube.com.
Oh yes, I might be a young man, but that don't mean I ain't wise. Don't want your opinion.
Really just let the machine do the work for you.
I've listened to all your lectures.
Rosenthal reviews are fun, and they're different. Whether you're looking for a new car or just obsessing.
Surely my man. I'm on the wrong side of the trail.
I've been waiting for you all day.
Oh yeah. But I stay up late most every night. I stay
If you like what you see, subscribe.
I don't like to work, I like to play, but I do like getting paid. I don't need any master plan, don't need to go wrong. Don't tell me what I'm supposed to do, 'cause I ain't some kind of fool. I'm on the wrong side of the trail.
Rosenthal Auto on YouTube.com.